Wowza! You're going to love this Guam stuffing or Riyenu in Chamorro. Shout out to my sis Colleen for the recipe. That's from her grandma, Trinidad Beretta. We'll need a half cup or 53 grams of diced celery. This is not difficult to make, but it does have several components. We're starting with the chopped veggies. You can do this a day or so ahead of time. It's actually 2 stalks of celery, and we want a fine dice. A printable recipe is linked in the description, so look below or to the side. I love that this dish freezes, thaws, and heats up so well. I keep it in my freezer for the whole year. We'll also need 12 ounces or 340 grams of whole seedless olives. My grandma Cabby used to make this too, and I love it as much today as I did when I was a kid. The store didn't have minced olives, so I got 8 ounces or 227 grams of sliced olives, and I have to mince it myself. You could always mince the big olives too. In the end, we need a packed 1 cup of minced olives. Yeah, it's pretty small. Slightly drain 8 ounces or 227 grams of chopped pimentos. This is 8 fluid ounces or 237 milliliters of sweet relish. Peel 5 pounds or 2.27 kilograms of russet potatoes. Cut it in half crosswise, then lengthwise, then into fourths, then cubes. See the size of my hand? That small. Pour all your cubed potatoes onto a napkin-lined pan to absorb some of the water. I give it a good rub down too, otherwise it's gonna bubble a lot. This is melted manteca or lard, or your choice of oil. Heat it on medium heat till a wooden stick sizzles. And fry your potatoes in batches. All this bubbling is from the water evaporating. That's why I absorb some of the water off the potatoes before frying. Fry about 15 minutes and move it around every now and then. Then poke some of the potatoes with a fork. If it goes in easily, it's done. If not, fry another 5 minutes or till lightly golden. These ones are done. Scoop it into colander, then fry the rest of the potatoes. Once all your potatoes are done, in a large bowl, add your raisins and break up the chunks. Raisins are optional, but totally rounds out this Guam Riyenu stuffing. So good! Add the relish and the pimentos. The minced olives. The quartered olives. And the celery. Fold it to combine well and scoop it up. Doesn't that look so good? Oh my god, I can't wait. I transfer the potatoes from the colander to a napkin-lined pan so that it can absorb some of the oil. Remove the napkins as soon as you're done frying all the potatoes. Put half of the potatoes in a very large roasting pan. This is a 2-inch pan. Add half of the cooked ground beef. This is a total of 1 pound or 2.2 kilos, so half for now. Half of the vegetable mix. Half the dry stuffing, although we will use the entire 14-ounce bag or 340 grams. A total of 1 tablespoon or 17.1 grams salt, but half for now. A total of 1 tablespoon or 7 grams ground black pepper. And a total of a half tablespoon or 5 grams garlic powder. I layered the ingredients so it's easier to combine. And then you just repeat the layering for the rest. Some folks like the Riyenu on the tart side, but I prefer it on the sweet side, so I use the sweet relish instead of the dill relish and no tomatoes. I remember this stuffing more as the decoration to go around the pig, not really to put inside a turkey. And I don't know, maybe some people put it in the pig, I don't remember. But my Guam Mama Cook's advice for you today is get 1 or 2 of these commercial pans because it makes large batch cooking so easy. Add 24 ounces or 710 milliliters of evaporated milk. I can't wait to eat this. I love it so much. I even use these pans to dry gizzarilla. Fold the ingredients together and scoop from the bottom and flip up. Don't stir it or it will get clumpy. Doesn't this look good? Oh my God. What's your favorite kind of stuffing? Tell me down below. My oven has been preheating at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 163 degrees Celsius. Butter or oil your baking dish and spoon the stuffing in. I like these old time, what are these, Pyrex or Corelle dishes? Don't go anywhere, so I want to show you how I pack this for my freezer. You can bake the stuffing as soon as you're done mixing it or freeze it. This is how I freeze Riyenu to eat all year long. If you're making it for the holidays, use the bigger pans or for parties. I love these smaller portions. I ordered them on Amazon. Just search heavy duty aluminum foil for catering. It's a 2.5 pound capacity. I think 8 by 6 by 2-ish inches. I'm putting 4 cups of stuffing in each. Spread it around. They come with covers and label it with directions. I love making these Guam food and Chamorro food videos for you. It's my way of sharing and preserving the Chamorro culture. Thanks so much for watching and remember to check out my other Chamorro food videos.